Stuff here. Got a lot of nice noise. That's noise.
You're about 25.
It's got the roll cage and everything in it. Roll cage. No roll cage. All these lovely old classic cars. Then over there's a Codsworth. Oh, grenade dust caps. I've got to get some of them. Spio is me. Don't think he can read it though. So have to look down to see how fast it's going. Don't like it, 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 don't like it. Ooh! Why has he got Pheasant of China on his bike? Don't like it. It's huge. This makes up for the freezing cold start. There's some really nice vehicles. That one he wants about 20 grand for if you want to buy that. It's all been done up really nicely. Big, I can't get in one picture. This is... don't like it. Too many spiders. It's huge. It's better, it's longer than a car. I don't know, it's like the... I don't know. So someone started making a Batmobile and ran out of money. Budget Batmobile? Midnight Flyer it's called. I've seen this somewhere. Some more classic bikes. Very nice. This was like what my dad had for his first bike. Izzy's. Norton, BSA, Gold Star. Don't know what the last one is. Passenger sits in the front, driver sits in the back. Logic. Dun, dun, dun. Steamer. At 7 in the morning probably to get here.
That was him, you know. Well, it was Mark, isn't it? All over. How many do you want both?
All of them. Cool, that wheel is taller than me, but that's no small feet though, so that's alright. Cool. What happens if he curbs it? Breaks the curb.
Probably fall over.
Breaks the curb. Fantastic. He's got to run. He's got mirrors after him.